So guys, on crypto news revelations here, it says how much crypto was laundered in 2021. I'm going to be revealing it here, and this article by Concepting about on trading on Coinmarketcap blog Alexandria. So you want to check this out. So it says a table of content, a big problem. So guys, if this is your first time of coming to our YouTube channel, or this is your time of coming to our YouTube channel and you're unsubscribed yet, you need to click on the big red subscribe button so you get notified. So you support us, so you can support us by subscribing. First of all, when you're done subscribing, you also want to turn on notifications so you get notified whenever we drop beneficial uploads from airdrops and lots of them, guys. So heading back to the news, it says cyber criminals laundered cryptocurrency worth $8.6 billion in 2021 alone. According to new figures from chain analysis, it said the blockchain intelligence firms data suggests this a 30% rise compared with the year before, but markedly below the all-time high of $10.9 billion that was recorded in 2019. And of course, these figures don't tell the full story. The figure for 2021 only makes cryptocurrency native and crime into account, such as ransomware attacks and darknet market sales. So, and in a new report, chain analysis says there is evidence to suggest that funds from offline crime, such as drug trafficking, are increasingly being turned into crypto, so they can be laundered. Unfortunately, determining the scale of such activity is easier said than done. So guys, we have CoinMarketCap podcast here. You want to check it out. It's usually very informative also. Looking at the big problem, so there are reasons to be optimistic. So while crypto worth a total of $33 billion has been laundered since 2017, estimates from the UN Office of Drugs and Crime suggest this pales into comparison to offline world. Okay, we are anywhere between $800 billion and $2 trillion, and there are fiat cryptocurrency is laundered every single year. So basically, by contrast, laundering accounted for just 0.05% of all crypto transactions in 2021. So chain analysis wrote, we cite those numbers not to try and minimize cryptocurrencies crime-related issues, but rather to point out that money laundering is a plague on virtually all forms of economic values transfer. And to help our law enforcement and compliance professionals be aware of just how much money laundering activity could theoretically move to cryptocurrency as adoption of the technology really increases. So the chain analysis data also indicates that money laundering activity in cryptocurrency is however heavily concentrated, and funds often end up flowing to a surprisingly small group of services that seem to be purpose built for obscuring transactions. So the report adds that the law enforcement can strike for a huge blow against cryptocurrency-based crime and significantly hamper criminals' ability to access their digital assets by disrupting these services. So this might be a rather optimistic take on things, just like new ransomware groups form after old ones are disrupted. It's highly likely new exchanges that facilitate criminal transactions will emerge once dodgy platforms are shuttered. So a bigger problem also lies in how criminals are moving away from centralized exchanges, which are less appealing because of how many employ rigorous KYC checks. So DeFi protocols received 17% of all funds sent illicitly wallets in 2021, a sharp rise from 2% that was reported the year before. So guys, that's all. You should pack here. Stay tuned for more. Peace out and one love, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and see you in our future uploads.